Ever wanted your page numbers to magically skip the first page in Microsoft Word, leaving your title page clean and professional? Let's make that happen. First, we need to tell Word that our document has different sections. We do this by inserting a section break next page. So, go to the Insert tab at the top in the Pages group, click on Breaks and then select Next Page. Now, you've effectively created a new section starting on page 2 next. Let's get to those page numbers. Double-click in the footer of your document €, that's the very bottom area €, on page 2. See this header and footer tools tab that popped up? We need to break the link between our two sections with your cursor still in the footer. Look for the navigation group and click on Link to Previous. This is the crucial step. Once you've unlinked them, click on Page Number in the header and footer tools tab, then hover over Format Page Numbers. A small dialog box will appear in the page numbering section. You'll see an option for Start At. Make sure this is set to 1. This might seem counterintuitive, but we've already told Word to start a new section on page 2. So its numbering will naturally begin there, even if we set this to 1 within that section. Now, click OK. You might notice page 1 still has a page number. That's because we only modified the footer of page 2's section to remove it from page 1. Double-click on the footer of page 1. With the footer of page 1 selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard, and just like that, your page numbering will now gracefully begin on page 2. Follow these simple steps for flawless document formatting every time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Word tips.